Hello, everyone. Good morning. How are you all? Okay. So, guys, my name is Sanjana Bisht, and I am an undergrad student of banking and finance. Today, through this medium, through this Zoom call, Zoom webinar, I'm going to talk about India's banking system, the history of India's banking system. So, let me start with the concept now. So, guys, if you want me to start, can you please show me a thumbs up? Okay, great, great, Charu and Nandini. Okay. So, let me first share my screen. Is it visible to all of you? Can you show me a thumbs up? Okay, great. So, guys, during ancient time, we all know that there used to be a system called barter system, like which prevailed in our society for a very long time. And after that, due to some lack of some failures in it, it was seized. But at that time, there was no concept related to money, and due to a lack of common unit of currency, we used to exchange goods and services against a particular goods and services, and this was barter system at that time. But now, now we have banks with us, we have banking with us, and we have banking system and banking proper banking companies, financial institutions all around us, which provides lots of beneficial benefits and useful products and services to us, which are very helpful in our day-to-day life. So let me start with how and when banking came into existence, how it all started. So basically, Indian banking system is divided into three phases: phase one, phase two, phase three. The phase one is the phase of pre-independence. It was between 1770 till 1947 until we got our independence. So, what happened in 1770? The banking began. The banking has started in India with the foundation of one bank named Bank of Hindustan. It was located in Calcutta. Now we call Calcutta as Kolkata. So it used to uh, establish there. But in 1832, it was ceased to operate. After that, many banks came into existence, but they were not much successful. And what happened in 1806 to 1843 that some very known three banks formed: Bank of Bengal, Bank of Bombay, Bank of Madras in 1806, 1840, and 1908, respectively. And also in between these, some few successful banks also came into existence, named Allahabad Bank, Punjab National Bank, Central Bank of India. All of these banks came into existence at that time. Next is 1906. At that time, the one of the very successful and one of the leading Bank of India, came into existence. And we all know that it is still one of the leading bank in India. After that, in 1911, Central Bank of India came into existence. It is another leading bank of our country, India. After that, in 1920, what happened is the three bank, Bank of Bengal, Bank of Bombay, Bank of Madras, they all merged and became a single entity named Imperial Bank of India. This all happened in 1921. After that, in 1935, the Reserve Bank of India, the RBI, came into existence. So this all happened in the phase one of our India's banking system, the pre-independence phase. call it. After that came phase two. It is also known as nationalization phase. So, I hope you guys know what nationalization is. But if you don't know, let me clarify you. So, guys, nationalization is basically the purpose of nationalization was to promote the rapid growth in our agriculture sector and small industries and export market. And it was basically to encourage the new entrepreneurs and like to develop all the rural and backward area in our country and to push our say mainly banking sector towards the central and state government. So this was the phase of nationalization. What happened in that phase is in 1949, nationalization of RBI happened. After that, in 1955, SBI came, and SBI is nothing but Imperial Bank of India. It has renamed itself in State Bank of India. We all know that it was the merger of Bank of Bengal, Bank of Baroda, and Bank of Madras. After that came in 1969, 14 banks were nationalized. 14 commercial banks were nationalized. For example, Central Bank of India, Punjab National Bank, Bank of Baroda, Canara Bank, Dena Bank, Union Bank of India. They all got nationalized. What happened after that in 1980? Six more commercial banks nationalized, namely Andhra Bank, Corporation Bank, New Bank of India, Oriental Bank of Commerce, Punjab and Sindh Bank. All of these banks, they all got nationalized. After that, in 1982, NABARD and Exim Bank, they came into existence. Exim was the mainly the export import bank of India. And after that, in 1988, NHB, National Housing Bank, established and came into existence. And after that, in 1990, SIDBI established in 1990. So this was all happened in nationalization phase. That means in phase two. After that came phase three, the liberalization phase. So this period saw a remarkable growth in the process of development of banks because of liberalization of our country's economic policy. So even after nationalization in phase two, the subsequent regulations that followed in this phase also, they provide our banking system a great opportunity. So what happened in this phase is in 1991 liberalization happened. The Narsiham Committee it gave its recommendation that allow the entry of private sector players into banking system. So RBI followed this recommendation and they allow some good private sector banks into the banking sector, namely Axis Bank, ICICI, HDFC, IndusInd Bank, DCB Bank. They all came, they all entered the banking system. After that, in 1998, some some or say two the most famous and the most leading banks they came into existence, and these two are Kotak Mahindra Bank and Yes Bank. They were the two private players that came into existence in 1998. I mean, they got the license from the RBI in 1998. After that, we talk about payment banks and small finance banks came was growing in the market. So Reserve Bank of India in 2015 gave license to 11 entities to launch payment banks, and they also granted approval to 10 applicants to set up small finance banks. I would like to mention here that RBI issued a license to these payment bank and small banks under Section 22, subsection 1 of the Banking Regulation Act 1949. to carry on the business of small finance bank and payment banks in India. So this was all happened from the past till now. It is happening in our India's banking system. It is growing rapidly, and now we all can see that it is now getting digitalized, and there is more and more upcoming benefits that every individual, every customer is going to get. So thank you guys. This was all about the India's banking system. I hope you like it, and I also hope that you will follow my website and my YouTube channel, the Discussy Desk, where I will be posting the videos related to banking and financial concepts. Thank you so much and have a good day, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.